This is OPPO F23 and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to find and open the Google Drive app or install it from the Google Play Store if you do not have it, but unless you have previously manually uninstalled the app, it should be on your storage since it comes pre-installed with the system itself. Anyway, once you have launched the Google Drive, tap at this plus icon over there, choose the scan option from the list, then grant the Google Drive app with camera permission, and then simply take a photo of your document. Once you did, you can continue by tapping at the check icon. This following menu allows you to edit your scan, change its color scheme, rotate it, or frame the part of the photo you would like to actually be included into the file we are about to create. So I'll trim off some extra edges I don't need. Then you can hit the save button, rename the document if you want to, and then save. Wait a few seconds for it to be uploaded to Drive, and here's the result. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.